Because of our command understanding and the amount of detail that we have with data, what IES brings to the system is that we can be more flexible, we can be more agile, and we can actually hit any of the goals that are thrown at us because we have the ability to provide that feedback, to measure that, and to improve and to rapidly iterate that improvement over and over again. So my role at IES is to marry clinical workflow and clinical understanding with data analytics, databases, and turn that into something meaningful and actionable for clinical quality objectives and process improvement. Data collection is really interesting because data is really messy, and so is clinical workflow. So what we do is we take clinical workflow and clinical understanding, and we watch how that maps into buttons with our providers, with our APPs, with our physicians, and then we map that into what that means for the care we provide to our patients, and we follow that data into databases where we apply different technical skills from big data, machine learning, to turn it into reporting that we give back to our leaders so that we can see how to improve patient care.
The biggest benefit to standardizing care is that we can get everybody to do what we think is best practice, and we can actually show through many of these programs that we can decrease morbidity and mortality for the patients. So they have a lower cost of care, we think a better disposition of care, we get the right people in the right place at the right time, and then that allows hospitals to actually spend their resources, their scarce resources really, on patients that need to be admitted. We actually have created a set of dashboards and scorecards that we share with all of our partners to make sure that everybody understands where our care is. So what that allows us to do is it allows us to identify key metrics that are important, like throughput or volume, so that we can identify those and focus really tightly on those metrics.